Welcome back to Texas Top Homes, where home buying, selling, and financing are all simplified. I'm your host, Freeman Sawyer, and with me is my co-host, Tracy Wiesman. Today we're visiting with the one and only Doc Compton. Doc is one of the nation's foremost authorities on credit repair and credit restoration. Doc, thanks for being on the show.
Glad to be here.
So, Doc, for any realtors or auto sales or builders or anybody like that may want to get in touch with you about partnering with you on the book, what's the best way to get in touch with you?
Well, two ways. The first is on Facebook, Credit Ready Book. If you just search that in your Facebook search bar, you'll find the page for it. Also, the website, creditreadybook.com. Tons of information there. You can actually order a copy of the book if you're just a consumer interested in the information in the book. If you would like to partner, have your name, face, company, brand, logo, contact info on the cover of the book. There's information about how to reach out to us to do that as well.
Hey, Doc, thanks for being on the show today. If for our listeners out there that want to reach out to you and get things started, what's your website?
www.omegacreditrepair.com or my personal website, .compton.com.
And if they want to just call you direct and get it going now?
214-733-8336.